Hi there, it's Ginny. LearnWithGinny.com is where you can find all kinds of free stuff. Subscribe to my newsletter, and below the video, grab free 99 content ideas, free tools, whatever you need. Okay, and if there's something else that you want, feel free to comment and ask me questions because it gives me more ideas for these videos, and I love that. So as a matter of fact, this video came from a question from somebody who wanted to know how to create the link tree that I have in my TikTok profile and my Instagram profile. So I actually have two ways to do it. The first way I'm going to show you is using a content scheduling tool that I use. Okay, it's very easy and you can use that as well. There's a free version and I'll be sure to drop the link below this video. And there's a paid version, of course. And with the paid version, you get more analytics and just some more features like hashtag searching and stuff like that, which is very cool. I do have other videos on how to do that. So if you're looking for that, just subscribe to my channel and then, look through the content. You'll find where I talked about researching hashtags for TikTok and Instagram using that scheduled planning tool. So I'm going to show you that way. And then I'm going to show you the marketing system I use because I actually need to create a new link tree in there. So you're going to see me do it live with you, creating that, branded. It's going to be a branded link tree type page that's just branded to me. It doesn't have a link tree brand on it. It doesn't have a Metricool. By the way, that's the name of the planning software. It doesn't have a link, any of those brands on there except for my brand. So let's get to work here and I will show you. Feel free to move on to other tutorials if you don't like my babbling because, I just do these videos to help you and my customers and my prospects out, and it's people who like my style. So if it's not you, later. All right. So actually that's here is the Metricool. Metricool is the name of the app. And I'll just show you real quick. I don't know why that's popping up, but this is the page, and there's all kinds of things like analytics and planning. I use it for planning my content, which I have not scheduled my content yet. I'll be doing that later on tonight. But what I want to show you is something called Smart Links right here. And Smart Links is like a link tree that you can use in this Metricool package. I need to move my face out of the way. Okay. So I already have one set up here, but if I were to create a new one, I would hit new. And yes, I would be, well, let me make sure I save whatever changes because I did add another link in here. Yeah, I said join my tech support group. Okay, so I saved it. So if I wanted to, I'd be creating a new one. Yeah, I don't want to actually. I'll just call this Learn with Ginny 2. So this would be another link. See, I have nothing on here yet. If I wanted to change my picture, I would do that in the profile, but I'm going to leave that there. So for your first button, you would give it some text like, let's see, get my free attraction marketing guide. Okay, and I believe I got to go grab my link, but I believe I have a file. If you are an affiliate of things, I have a little hint for you. If you keep a Word doc or a Google Doc or something, just a note with all your links in it. That way you can find them quickly. Okay, so here's my attraction marketing guide link. So I'm going to copy that in there and paste it. And that's what it looks like right over here in this preview. Okay. The next one, let's say I want to put my build your list challenge for $1. And that link is going to be this one. I'm copying it from my Word document where I have all my affiliate links. And let's see, I also have a $1 video challenge that I created myself. So learn to make TikToks and Reels for $1. And that one is here. So that's how you do it, okay? It's really easy. You give it a title. The title is what is on, I don't know why that's popping up. The title is what's on the button, and the link is where they go. The only last step is these little guys here. If you set up your social media profiles correctly, they would all be the same. So mine is, twitter.com. I don't use Twitter very often, but they're all LearnWithGinny. My Instagram one is instagram.com LearnWithGinny. Guess what my YouTube one is? youtube.com/LearnWithGinny. And that's it. That's how you easily create a tree. And it's the link that you gave it up here, which would be this. So you would copy that and you would put it in your profiles. So if I'm on Instagram, for example, and I wanted to change the link in my profile, I would hit profile. This is on the desktop. It's similar. See, I do have it already there. So I would hit edit profile and I would put the link right here. Okay, so there you go. That is the Metricool one. That is the scheduling stuff, scheduling planning software that I use. I will leave a link below this video. So I told you that I would show you how to do it in my marketing software too. So here's what I do. It's super easy. This is my business manager. I keep all my courses and funnels and all kinds of stuff in here. It's very cool. You can actually set up a funnel for $27 if you want to try it out. So I'm going to add a new funnel. I am going to call it links. You can see I've done it before. Now I have a few stubs in here that are already programmed. I'm going to use go.learnwithginny.com/links. I'm going to add a new funnel. And this is going to be a lead magnet because that's what it's for. It's to collect leads. So there is my funnel that is already started. Now my opt-in page is where I want to create the link tree. So I'm going to edit the page right here. It also says build page. And I believe I found it under sales. No, I didn't. I found it under the virtual hub section. So these are all templates that you can use. My link tree is over here. It's this one with the video at the top and all the links. See the preview that I'm pointing to? So I'm going to tap that. Am I in your way again? Let me go look. Yeah, I think I was. Let me go back. I'm going to go back to templates so you can see that. I was pointing to this one and it was scrolling up. That's the one I want to use. So I'm going to tap it and I'm going to say use page template. I'm going to replace the image with my image. I'm in the way again. Let me move myself. I'm going to make myself really small. Hopefully that will keep me out of the way. Okay, so this is my favorite photo right here. Let me see if there's a smaller one. Yeah, I actually want a headshot like that. Yeah, that's better. So I'll put my name at the top. Now, when you click on a text box in this software, the actual editing is over here where it says heading text. Can you see that? Let me see if I can. I don't want to leave. I just want to shift this a little bit so you can see it better. There we go. So, again, when you hit the text box, it's over here where you edit it. It's on the left-hand side of the screen. Actually, I want it to be like, I sign all of my letters like this and I show, I like that better. So I'm going to say here, hi, I'm Ginny. I'm going to leave it at that. in all of this little, what is that, Latin? I'm going to replace it with some real words. Download free guides, PDFs, and take some inexpensive courses below to help you get going again. No, help you grow your business. Grow your home business. There we go. If I wanted to, I could put a video here. I don't have one recorded right now, so what I'm going to do is, let me go back to the list. When you're in this area over here, it's kind of like, these are all the elements of the page. This is a video block. I'm going to go back again and again. This is all the page settings. So you see this section is video section, right? If I hit the little 3 dots, I can hide that section. I could do the same thing for any of the sections. Now I want to edit all these lists. Now I'm only going to have like 3 links, so I'm probably going to hide the rest of the links. Now I'll find those under the buttons section. So I'm just going to tap the buttons section, and that'll show me a breakdown here. If I hit list link button 1, I'm going to select the action, and it's going to bring up, I want it to go to a URL. And the link I want is over here somewhere. Let's do this one. Paste that in there. I'm just doing Control-C, Control-V on the link. And what I want it to say is download your free PDF. Oops, did I copy that? Let me see. Yeah, download your free PDF, 99 prompts for all your content here. I'm going to say, never run out of content ideas again. Click here, 2. There. Okay, so that my button number 1 is done. Button number 2, I want it to, again, open up a URL. I'm going to go grab a link, paste it in here, change the button title, again, right here. Learn all about attraction marketing in this free tutorial. So click here for a complete attraction. Actually, click here to never chase people down again. Okay, link number 2 is done. And let's see, I wanted one more. I want my video challenge in there. So go to URL, paste it in there, and this one will be and I'll say click here to start collecting leads on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And that's good. I'm just going to leave those 3 on there. I'm going to save it. You always want to save it as you go so that you don't lose your progress. I'm going to hide the rest of the buttons. I wonder if I can, yes, when I went back, see what it did? We have this button. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I want to hide the rest of them. So, hide. Oh, that one's already hidden. Sorry. Whoops. Buttons. I'm just going to hit one of the buttons and then go back. There, now I can see them all. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This one's already hidden. I'm going to hide the rest of them. Hide. 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 There, I have 3 buttons. Now, one last step, I want to connect all my social media down here so people can connect with me. The link will be facebook.com/LearnWithGinny. I'll copy that and paste it right there. Twitter's link will be twitter.com/LearnWithGinny. There. Instagram. What I'm doing over here, if you can't see, whoops, is I am, and I did not test that link. Let me just do that real quick. Copy, paste. Is I'm just making sure that the links work. I type them into the, here, I'll just show you. I'll do the Instagram one next. Instagram, and then I go Learn with Ginny. And see, it's right there. So I want to make sure it works. So I'm copying and pasting it. And sure enough, it works. It brings me there. So that's what I want for Instagram. Same thing with LinkedIn. Learn with Ginny. You know what? It's LinkedIn. See, that's why we do this. I want to copy that. That's okay. We'll go like that. LinkedIn, copy paste. I don't use LinkedIn as often, so YouTube, same thing. It's right there. Copy and paste. I think you get the point, right? I'm going to save this. And guess what? My page is done. I just have to hit publish in the upper right hand corner here. Let me make sure you can see that on your screen. Yeah, it's off the screen a little bit. I figured that. So over here, publish. I'm going to hit publish. I'm going to go back to my funnel. I think I can make my screen fit a little better. Yeah, like that. Okay. It's published. See, it has green. Now I can go check it out. Let's click the link and see what it looks like. There it is. See how quick and easy that is? Now, I am kind of fast at it, so if you need help setting it up, feel free to let me know. That's 2 ways I set up a Linktree type link for my Instagram and for my TikTok. So if you need help with those, let me know. The best way is to sign up for something below this video, get on my list, and that way you know when I have free spots available that you can schedule with me to work with me. I could have those Linktree pages set up with you in an hour if you have at least a domain. If you need to set up your domain, then there's a little bit more work there. It takes a little bit more time than an hour. So let me know. That's it. Make it a great day. Get your free stuff below the video and sign up on my newsletter so that, like I said, you get all kinds of stuff. You get free training and you get notified when I'm creating new courses because I always offer live courses at a discount. And then I have all kinds of courses in my back office. If you need any help with anything, I'm pretty good at figuring it out. All right, so see you later.